Move on and let's talk stock as well as sector specific. While there is no demand supply gap for power, the government will continue importing coal if needed. That's the word coming in from the Power Minister R.K. Singh. In fact, in an exclusive chat, Singh also sheds light on market coupling, new thermal projects, PLI schemes, new proposed reforms as well.
We have emerged as a leader in energy transition. This has, we've already attracted investments worth about 16.5 lakh crores has been invested. And I have projects under construction of 17.5 lakh crores. So, see, in every sphere, and I'll just give you some figures. For example, the peak demand has gone up from about 136,000 megawatts in 2014 to 243,000 megawatts in 2023, and we met that without any shortfall. Talking about shortfall, the shortfall in energy terms, and used to be, and in peak demand terms, used to be almost about 4.5–5% in 2014 when our government came to office. Today, that shortfall has disappeared. We've added so much of capacity. We increased the established capacity by almost about 80%. So earlier in 2014, the installed capacity was in the region of about 275 to 80 gigawatts. Today, our established capacity is 426 gigawatts, 426,000 megawatts. And I have a huge capacity under construction. I have about 27,000 megawatts of thermal under construction. I have further bid out another 12,000 megawatts of thermal for construction. And that makes it 39. Then we have another about 21,000 megawatts under survey, etc. That makes it almost about 60, and a further 21 candidate plants which are going to come under construction. That's thermal. Renewable, I have 99,000 megawatts under construction. I have already established 180,000 megawatts.
The market coupling is something which is a very comprehensive plan that has been proposed by the Power Ministry. So what's the update on that?
I think the study group that is that would have concluded its studies, so we'll decide on that. We'll decide on that very quickly. Our exchange is thriving, and our sector is growing hugely. As I said, that in energy terms, it has gone up from 1,000 billion units in 2014, it has gone up to about 1,600 billion units today. So in every sphere, the production has gone up, the consumption has gone up. Imagine demand going up by 80% and us meeting it.
Okay. You have already decided to add around 80,000 megawatt capacity, that is coal-based thermal power plants. You have had meeting with all stakeholders as well. Can we expect some more announcement with this regard, that when the companies are coming to?
By and large, that's the capacity which we are adding. If needed, we'll add more, because I'm not going to compromise with the availability of power for my growth. Without electricity, you can't have growth. We are the fastest growing large economy in the world. No other large economy is growing at the speed at which we are. We are growing at 7.5%.